Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Mitrade application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mitrade app on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, in order to change your password, tap on the hub or the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, scroll down and then tap on settings. Then within the settings page, go into security. And now you will see the change password option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will need to enter your current password in order to verify. Just type in the password that you are currently using to log into your account and then tap on the next button. You will now be allowed to enter your new password. Just type in your preferred new password within the given box and then tap on confirm. You will now be told that your password has successfully been changed, and then you will be asked to log into your account once again. So just type in your new password within the password box and then tap on login, and you will be logged into your account once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Mitrade application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.